So now that we've done mean, median, and mode, and box and whisker plots, we're going to do the last part of finding different measures for data, which is called the mean deviation. So unfortunately, yes, it does have the word mean in it. We already hopefully remember how to find the mean. So the mean is when you add all of the numbers and then you divide it by how many numbers there were. So the mean deviation is very similar to that. So I'm just going to go over these notes quick and then we'll do some practice ones. So what you do is you find the mean of your data. So for this example, they're giving you this list of data. So step one is to find the mean. So they're just showing you that they're adding them all up and they're dividing it by 8 because there's 8 numbers. So when you add all these up, you get 72. 72 divided by 8 is 9. So that's the normal mean. Add them all up, divide by how many you added. This next step is you have to take your mean, which is 9, and take all of the numbers you started with. So 3, 6, 6, 7, 8, 11, 15, and 16. So they wrote all of the original numbers that we added. And you have to write how far away that number is from the mean. So the mean is 9. So for example, the first number in the data was 3. And 9 minus 3 is 6. So that's where this is coming from. The next number in the data is 6. 9 minus 6 is 3. So you take the mean that you got and you subtract it from all of the original numbers and write those answers. So the next number in the data was 6. 9 minus 6 is 3. The next number was 7. 9 minus 7 is 2. Next number was 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. Now when these numbers get bigger, you just do the subtraction backwards so that you still get a positive number. So 11 minus 9 is 2. 15 minus 9 is 6. So all you do is take your original numbers and subtract each one of them from the mean, which in this case was 9. Then you take all of those numbers and you find the mean of those. So you add all of those numbers together and divide that by how many numbers there were. So they're showing you all of the answers that they got, all the distances. They added all the distances together, divided it by 8, and got 3.75. So the mean was 9. The mean deviation is 3.75. The point of this is to see how low your mean deviation is. The closer that this number is to 0 means the closer your numbers in general are to each other. So for example, if you have a bunch of test scores and all of your test scores are really close together, like a bunch of A's and B's, your mean deviation should be very low because your average is going to be close to those numbers. If something is really spread, then that means you have a lot of variance in your data. So I'm going to do one step by step with you.